Yo, shalom, shalom, family. What's good in the hood? Welcome back to another episode of Invest in Yahuwah. And we live on, let me make sure, live on YouTube. We live on IG. What's up with IG? Hold up. What's going on? We're supposed to be live on IG, Twitch. Twitch straight with the IG. What's going on with the iGizzle? Damn, IG, YG. Hey, y'all holla at me now. What's going on? Do we even say it anymore? Hey, y'all see my description though. Check me out. Yeah, let me read that description, man. Hold up. Okay, good. I'm live on Twitch. Hold up. Let's run it back. Hold up. Say you live. Once you live, your stream post, you'll find out at the top of the feed on Instagram. Say I'm live. Once you start the video broadcast, you have 5 hours to go live. Edit. The stream is going to title is just won't be sent. You change remove this destination from the stream and re-add it. Move. Okay. Fire. We get. Let's go. Hold up 1 second. I'm trying to make sure we live on Instagram. Give me 1 minute. Check with it. What's up with Instagram? Instagram hating on me. Maybe I got too much going on. Maybe it's my fault. I don't know. But I definitely want to be live. I'm live on Twitch. I'm live on YouTube. I'm trying to check to see what's good in the hood with the crypto market review. What's good, fam? Who that is tapping in? I got somebody tapping in. What's good in the hood, man? Drop a comment, drop a like. Let me know if you think the bottom is in on the crypto market, man. I seen some financial news. They say the bottom is in already. They say we already good. Look like they on Twitch. Follow the boy. Follow me on Twitch. Now y'all stop playing. You know I'm twitching. Hey, it ain't easy to stream from Africa too. Y'all let me get a follow, man. Y'all tripping. Do you know how bad internet service is in Africa? How hard it is to stream from where I'm at, bro? Huh? Put some respect on my little stream, man. Y'all tripping. Let me try Instagram one last time. See if the stream work on the ground. Best in you we live. I don't know. It's telling me I'm live. We ain't live. I'm gonna just keep going. But so like I say, whoever following, tap in. Let me know what's going on. What you got going on? Let's jump right into it, fam. All praise to Yahuwah for another day. You already know. Living for Yahuwah. Invest in Yahuwah is a ministry branch of Living for Yahuwah. We've been streaming since earlier. We dropped the Daily Bread podcast today. That's up on the YouTube. You already know. If you following me on Instagram, whatever, it should be in the link in the bio. Find that Daily Bread. We prayed, we read. Thank you for another day. Grinding all day. Now it's time to check on the money. Make sure the funds right. Let's get the trading view. Today we focus on crypto. Monday we streamed. We were looking at the stock market, which very timely. It was so timely. we needed to be doing that. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a heck of a week. It's been a heck of a week. It's been a heck of a week in the markets. You know, a lot has been going on, and yeah, we gotta stay on beat, bro. Always stay on your pivot, as my brother told me. Always stay on your pivot. Keep your head on the swivel, and that's how you make more money. So let's tap in products. Let me share my screen. I know what y'all came here to see. You know what y'all came here to see. Good old financial analysis. Again, yesterday we took a look at some Forex. And I got a new description too. I don't think I ain't been working, man. I'm working on some things, man. Got 100 gigs for your head top. Crypto. And this is like very good for us to take a look at. I don't know when the last time I checked out Bitcoin. Ooh. Oh, this is the 1 hour chart. Let me back out a little bit to the monthly. Nah. They say the bottom end? I don't think so. I mean, it ain't finna go to 12,000. Nah. It ain't finna go nowhere crazy, but it might go to 44. It definitely might come to 44,000. And that's just me looking at this off, you know, just looking at it, you know, out my eye, eyeballing the chart. Bitcoin could go down a little bit more. So this is the higher time frame. Can't post comment with some information. All right. This is the higher time frame. Obviously, we got to go down to a lower time frame, shorter time frame. Hold up. First of all, what's good, chat, man? Y'all got to give me some interaction. Drop some numbers in the chat. Put a comment. But before we get started with that, I want to read y'all my new description. I was just working on this. Every day I come in, I have to put in the description. I got to put in the title, and I got to put in the description. So doing this today for the third time in a row, getting back on my schedule, I'm like, let me put in a nice description. So what is this? This is a live cryptocurrency analysis. We studying market trends, strategies, and insights. Okay, so I would love for you guys to join us for in-depth financial analysis. That is what's going on. We say technical analysis, but we're doing technical analysis of the financial markets. So it's a financial analysis where we dive deep into the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, this live stream is your go-to source for the latest market trends, expert strategies, and actionable insights. We'll be breaking down the current state of major cryptocurrencies, discussing potential investment opportunities, and analyzing the factors driving market movements. Get real-time analysis. I think people say that and it's like cliche. Get real-time analysis. We're doing it right now. Real-time analysis. Right now, as we speak. Holla at your boy. Holla at your boy. Holla at me. This is what we're doing. Real-time analysis. Let me say it again. Real-time analysis. And I'm just checking. We live on Instagram. YouTube and Twitch. Real-time analysis. Say it with me. Real-time analysis. Get real-time analysis. Ask your most burning questions. Ask your burning questions. Gain the knowledge you need to navigate the crypto landscape with confidence. I like that. You know, I don't want to overextend myself. I don't want to be over promoting, but you definitely gonna get some confidence to invest in these markets for sure. And yeah, even reading the back, it's like, yeah, that's right. I can do that. I definitely got some confidence for you. We can definitely get you any of that. Real-time analysis, no problem. Let's get to it, baby. So yeah, haven't looked at crypto in a while. Like I say, traveling, vacation, whatever, busy, haven't been live streaming. Got to make sure the internet connection right over here in Africa. Power outages, this, that, the third. No excuses, but we back. And so this is a big, very zoomed out, stretched out perspective. So it's definitely hit the top a couple times, too many times, and it's due for a pullback. We've been riding this wave up all the pandemonium, the frenzy, whatever. Now this is more interesting. This is right where we want to see. Like, okay, this channel we done been in since March, between 72 and 58, and now it just really broke below. So even though this is a weekly, if it closed below this might be the lowest close since last month. Even the one closed there last month, it bounced back, but this time, I don't know. You know, this stuff we gotta be watching this stuff. I mean, it seems like I say this every time, but me, when I look at it, it's like I see so much, and I want to point it out to you guys. Let me get some geometry going on over here. Let me get some geometry, man. Shapes. Where my shapes at? On my shape set, I want to just point something out right quick. This last little run, the last couple weeks, right here, I feel like it's important. Again, we know beginning of this year we hit all-time highs in Bitcoin, and it seemed like it was just yesterday. And because it was, it hit 72,000, and it's just been going sideways. But what you see right here, you see that's why we draw these lines for reference, and it's important because I didn't know. What tomorrow was going to hold when we drew these lines. When we make these zones, supply zones, what they call them. Some people call it supply, buy zones, sell zones, whatever, liquidity trap. It's a lot of terms for them, but basically it's a zone that sellers are waiting at, people selling. And I want to just highlight this for a minute because we hit the all-time highs, bump, and it's like an invisible ceiling. You see, and we could put this up a little bit higher, but this candle encapsulated good because again, it got the wick on here. We got the wick, but this area right here, bomb, it hit it. It came down. It's kind of found some little support, temporary. Came back up. It couldn't hold its head. And so now, not only did it slip back down to this previous support, it's touching the Bollinger Band again, but it's up under, we done closed up under this moving average. So now that it's for the second time it looked like that, any little retracement or any strength, we want to sell if you can short Bitcoin. But yeah, we're looking for a little bit more downturn, obviously. This chart is a bit exaggerated, right? Because it go down to 15K, 22K. It ain't gonna go that much. No, it's 20, 25, 20, it's like 20K. But I don't know if we're gonna go back to 20K again, but we got some support right here. And I think this is important. This is why we want to be talking about this, because people looking at this, right? Ultimately, they're gonna say, like, okay, if we going down, how far are we gonna go? How do you know? Like, how far are we gonna go? So that's the whole point. Somebody asked me, is the bottom in? Well, actually, I seen somebody saying that. Another YouTuber. I was on YouTube posting videos, right? Watching another person. I just scroll by a video, but they were saying that the bottom is in, which I can totally relate. I was saying this Monday on the stock analysis that the market had been down for the last I want to say 2 months, but it was like 7 out of the last 9 weeks. It was down. So it's like now it gapped down. And now, it took the biggest drop, but it's on the news all over, all everywhere, and it's kind of scaring people. But that's when they put it out, when it's like the move is finished. So it kind of felt like it was finished, but may not be. So the point is, if this particular cryptocurrency were to keep going down, where is it headed? Where is it headed? And my best bet tells me somewhere between 38,000 and 42. What does that mean? That mean if it was right there, nigga, buy that shit, put the house on it, bet the house on it, because you pretty much gonna flip that. Okay, so interesting to notice we got the RSI right here too. It's important to look at that. And you can see how it's scraping along the bottom. It's kind of oversold territory. And then rose up and came back down, but it didn't get the oversold again, but it's at the same price. So this may be telling us a different story. Now that we came down to the more intermediate time frame, a smaller more fractal time frame, right? Fraction of what we previously saw. We see the daily chart looking like, okay, maybe this is the bottom. We can see the Bollinger Band is a lot tighter. You see this box I put on right here, and it's basically trading in this box, right? So maybe that might be all that she wrote. Maybe this might be the end of the downturn. Maybe they pop out, but the smaller time frame is definitely where we want to go with to make a decision. It's something else I want to put on here. All right, so let's look at the full. But the daily not looking too bad. I mean, at this point, if you already been taking losses, like yeah, okay, right. So the daily and the 4 hour put things in a lot better perspective. We see like is less than the 50% chance we go any lower than 50,000. It's not likely at all, especially when you're looking at the price movement of the lower time frame. It already crossed over this moving average and it's consolidating. So, stuff starting to consolidate is like, I'm gonna say be scared, but you got to be cautious because when it does break out of this consolidation range, it's gonna break out hard to the north side or hard to the south side. So, something we want to pay attention to. So with that said, like, we haven't been here for a while. We want to check out the cryptocurrency market. We're going to take a look at the stocks, but we also want to go to some of our other resource tools to see what's going on. So I know I said stock, but you know what I mean. We're going to take a look at the asset classes. Bitcoin is the most important one. And Bitcoin, I'm going to tell you like this. Just looking at it, this chart right here. I told you somebody said the bottom was in, and after looking at this chart, I can see that. Again, it's been consolidated all the way high around here, 69, 67 to 70, June, right? Yep, in the last month, started selling off. So it been selling off for like a good 2 or 3 weeks already. So maybe it's time to take a break from selling. Who knows? Check on my chat, man. What we got going on? Chat, talk to me. What's going on? How y'all feeling, man? Let me check the temperature. Am I sharing the right screen? Yes. That's why we have to back out. Make sure everything is going good. Make sure I'm sharing what I think I'm sharing. Wall Street figure rise to the highly sensitive pandemic. Whatever. Wall Street, small street, man. So we still rocking out on Twitch. We're gonna keep twitching. Let's keep twitching. Okay, so Bitcoin not doing bad. If you was holding at 72, it's at 55 now. We ain't gonna cry about it. The stocks, that's a different story. Some of the stocks are really falling by huge percentages. So Bitcoin. Solana USDT, ETH USDT. This is the second one. Gotta look at ETH. I'm about to play that thing. Hey, I fuck with this so like Ether. Did you the king? You know that got something that cracked the belly. I prove you lost already. And just looking at this, it made me think about a certain other thing. I need to open up my Binance right now, kind of play around there a little bit. Okay, so Ethereum definitely look like a bottom is in though. I ain't gonna lie. We touched down right here. We hit that. Now it's like we playing with the moving average, but it's time. We about to pop over there a little bit. So interesting that you can see this, on this 4-hour chart. Damn, that daily is crazy. How do I change the arithmetic law matrix? No. Reset price scale. Yes. 21. Can you do something for me? So the daily chart, man, it's a great buying opportunity. I talked about this a couple months ago. We were looking at Ethereum at 2,500. I'm like, I remember Ethereum was 1,000. It was less than 1,000, and really it went up to 3,600, almost 4,000. Now it's at 2,400. It's time to get it. Like this is Ethereum ain't been this cheap since, let's see when it's been this cheap, but since last year. But still, 2,500 Ethereum. Yeah, you haven't been here in a while. You ran past it in 2021, came back and saw it 2022, 2023. We took off 2024. We coming back down to earth. Ethereum, ladies and gentlemen. So it's like, let me see, do I have some? I should have some reference points drawn on here. I mean, I see the Bollinger Band, but I should have some more reference points in here. But what can I say? Coinbase, yeah. I'm not gonna click that. Okay, so Ethereum is what it is. Bottom may be in. Look at the 4-hour chart. You can't tell from the monthly. But yeah, the 4-hour chart is look like it's about to consolidate. I don't think it's going below 2,100. So now it definitely look like a great time to buy Ethereum. In my humble opinion, you might want to get some. Time to get some Ethereum. So what else we got going on? What? Like I was saying, we're gonna check out some other research tools and which better resource tool to use for which better resource tool to use for cryptocurrency than to use CoinMarketCap, CoinMarketCap.com, CoinMarketCap. Let's see what they're talking about. Hold up, y'all trying to get too much information. Dang, read all across the street. So if you know, you know. Everybody know when Bitcoin rise, people started looking for the altcoins, the other coins that's going to do well in a good move. I mean, in a move upward in the cryptocurrency space, right? So we see Bitcoin is down. You know, only down. It's down 17% in the last week. That ain't good, but it's not horrible for Bitcoin. It needs a pullback for real. It definitely could use a break. Man, BNB is pretty stable. Like it's even up there. So it's a good opportunity if I don't know what's happening with this coin right here, but it's up on the week that everything else is down. You want to pay attention to that. But the point is, okay, we got some meme coin. Yeah, again, we checking out some of the other worst performers to see something, you know, see if we got opportunity to trade. Keep hearing about this Brett coin. I forgot what that's about. That's World coin. It's so many coins they don't even make. Man, it's crazy, man. Somebody save us. Somebody save us. Yeah. So I had to drop the comment, make sure that thing working. So CoinMarketCap, man. So we see some small different caps. Get your cap pill on the West Coast cap pill. It's definitely on like a good cryptocurrency project right here. What's the most expensive? Tether Gold. I wouldn't believe them people. I wouldn't trust them with my life. I wouldn't trust them with that. Pepe, one of the cheapest coins in the market right now, man. You drop a bag on Pepe, you might flip that easy. You could do a lot with you put a bag on Pepe. A lot of value in it too. That's crazy. That's like some big numbers. And I don't even think I've seen too many people have numbers like that. That's some huge numbers as far as activity, right? Nothing else. Not popularity, this or that. Just off volume. That's crazy. A lot of people trade Pepe. A lot of people. And that's, again, the thing with tools like this, while we use them, why they're important. It kind of give us valuable insight. See what's going on in the market, right? Yeah, do. So yeah, man, I was just saying, giving y'all a glimpse of my market review description. For real, don't miss the opportunity to stay ahead of the curve in the fast-paced world of digital finance. Subscribe and tune in to take your crypto investments to the next level. You already know what time it is. But when I was here, I think I made an account already. And as I'm thinking about some of this stuff, just figuring out better ways as I go. So what we gonna meet young and ASAP? How we gonna know if that thing ready? So let's take a look at the top 10 coins. Skipping the stable coin. So we took a look at Bitcoin. Now we got BNB. I was gonna say they're not even gonna show BNB on here. It is BNB though. Nah, I was just looking at it. Man, okay, that is BNB. That is BNB. Market cap. Yeah, but all this stuff important to pay attention to. Again, this BNB guy, this Prince Jr., these people trying to get us to pay attention to it. Yeah, be pretty stable. BNB got his own influence, and he rocking out like that. Great. You see what these people came from? BNB. It was here, blew up the last couple months, and now giving some of the gains back, just like we did, man. So gotta tighten up with that. Oh man, it's the weekly. Shit ain't looking too good for BNB. That thing went down deep. All I can say is BNB not touching it right now. I mean, maybe next week we gotta see what happens. Let's check out XRP, man. XRP. So we got stablecoin USDC, stablecoin Solana. No, Solana is the next biggest coin. BNB, like it's a regular open stock, but it's kind of like a stable coin. Ethereum and Bitcoin, them the big three. Ethereum, Bitcoin, and BNB. That's like which one just told me it was doing this? They're doing streaming too. VeChain, this VeChain $1. So this is like a stable coin. XRP 50 cents. I hope we still trading, man. I hope we still alive. Y'all still with me. I'm fishing. I'm fishing right now. I'm making my way through the market. I'm looking for a deal. I'm looking for the right chart. I'm looking for the right setup. So I'm fishing. Y'all bear with me. Let me keep fishing. Again, looking for the currency pair that I would invest in if I had the money in my hand right now. What is a good bet? And most of these assets is definitely looking like the best bet is to chill on the sideline. Chill on the sideline with your money till you know it's finished going down, right? Till you know it's finished going down. But I want to answer the question. So I asked the question when I got on. I said, do I think the bottom is in yet? And I'm going to answer your question and tell you, yes, I do think it is. We'll hate to be hopefully overly optimistic, but we already heard that there are some rate cuts coming this year from the United States Federal Reserve. So again, all these things affect everybody else. So totally likely that we could do that. I had a list of top 10 cryptocurrencies. A couple things I want to talk about. But, let me keep going. Ether. Solana. Let's do Solana. It's our last cryptocurrency review because the market tanking. If Bitcoin down 20% in the last week, all the altcoins are down bad for real. Solana, not too bad. It's holding its own. It ain't fall out of bed like we see some stories do. I mean, kind of sort of from 190, we got like 160 right now, something like that. It's not bad. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. For somebody traveling by themselves, having to worry about everything by themselves, and then still be able to trade. That's cool, as a matter of fact. So, yeah, that's good. We still on this. Time to go to sleep. I'm looking at this while I'm on another screen. Hold up. I said I want to see what's altcoin is down the most. Let's see what's down the most. This is up this past week. Woo! Lido. What Lido got going on? Lido tripping. Share this tab instead. I moved over without letting y'all know. I'm sorry about that, man. I'm tripping. Lido USD, man. That's what we want. Let's check this price action out before we wrap it up. It's down. And it tells us already Bitcoin is down a little bit. Lido is down a lot. Bitcoin is down 17%. Lido is competing with, wow, it's a lot of stocks down over 30% in a week. Damn. Near Protocol down. Pepe, man, down. Man, down. Man. Half the list over 20 is down over 25%. I mean, Bitcoin down 20%. So yeah, that all what this show me. I want to just get off this for a while and just get back, cut to the chase. What does this mean, chat? This mean that what I'm doing right here, it's gonna always have value. Always. Looking at these charts, because the bottom line is this. This chart again down 40% from the high. Looking at the weekly, which just say sometimes I ain't even have time to look at this every day, right? Let's say you ain't have time to look at this every day, but look at the weekly, bro. Just looking at the weekly, you can see that we've been weary of this stock because this cryptocurrency or this protocol, because it's been trending down like since the beginning of last year, really. So that's crazy. But also my point is just the fact that even right here, when it kind of did a pullback or a retracement, which would have been a good place to get in to go short, we've been seeing that the stock is going down, not really going up. If it do go up, it go up a little bit. It touched this bottom, rolling band went up, get it out the way, and guess what? Slow leaf fall back down. So that's important. So with all that said, give me 1 second. Let's share this screen. With all that said, is the bottom end? It gotta be. To be honest, if all these cryptocurrency protocols, if they down 30, 40%, 35 to 40% in 1 week, they can't stand to lose another 40% next week. So it may be the time to buy. It may very well be time to get in and do something. And that's what we want to know. That's what we want to hear. We could go through the technical analysis a little bit more, but I think it ain't a lot to analyze. We see it's down big. You know what I'm saying? So if you're going to get some, get in, do something, do your thing, man. Do your thing. I'm looking at some, give me 1 second. Looking at some other cryptocurrency resources right quick. Do some research, see what we got going on. See what they got going on. Yeah, so this is a financial news website. 1 second. Instagram. All right, so we're looking at Lido. How do we find that? Yeah, so it's another chart. We got tell us what's going on. CoinGecko. Just want to look at this, do some research, whatever. But it's the same Same information basically. Let me see. I got another reference. Somebody sent to me like, oh, when you're looking at crypto, make sure you check out your site, whatever. So, okay. I see what's going on. It's time for me to go to. I'm getting confused. Too easy. All right, so I left this up. That screen. I click on body. Lido is down. Oh, the whole crypto market, man down. If you got money on the sideline, this may be the time to use it. Let me come back. Let me get back on my pivot. Wow, let me. Yeah, so I started off again with a question. I think it was a great question. Is the bottom end? I heard somebody mention that. I saw somebody write an article, whatever it was, a YouTube video. Somebody had that as a title or a thumbnail. It said the bottom was in for crypto. I can see. I understood it immediately. I talked about this with the stock market. The market was already going down, and it gets to this implosion, what they call capitulation. It can't be red no more. And sometimes when it's like the last red day after like 20 red days, it's even great. It's like boom, it's a big drop. So that's what happened on Monday. It kind of everything opened up down big. So everybody panicked. It's on news. This. But actually, what's happening there? The bottom is in, family. The bottom is in. And now we're gonna slowly consolidate. In my opinion, my humble opinion, we're gonna slowly consolidate and start to make that consolidation, then that upward trend for the end of the year. Because before you know it, November gonna be here, and the markets ain't never down in November or December. People spending money. You know, we could talk about McDonald's and high food prices all we want to, but ain't nobody canceling Christmas, and we know that. And ain't nobody canceling Thanksgiving either. I mean, besides the Hebrew, if you invest in Yahuwah, you are, right? You invest in Yahuwah, you're not celebrating Christmas. You're not celebrating Thanksgiving, these pagan holidays. But talking about the population and the economy at large, that is all positive tailwinds, positive factors for the market. And so this is just the market getting itself out. And if you really understood, like I was saying, fiscal years and stuff like that, you're gonna see this time period in the beginning in the middle of the year is like the perfect time for this to happen. You know what I'm saying? It's seasonal. These drops are seasonal. Yeah, the economy is slow. Yeah, they are printing a lot of money, but it's like they pick and choose when they tell you the news, and they tell you the news when it's very convenient. Like summertime, the volume is low on all these exchanges and markets. Then some bad news come out. It's like, oh man, everything is same thing, man. Same thing, different day. So I answered the question for myself, for you guys, for everybody. Is the market in? I think so. Market is in. The bottom is in. It would be good to wait for consolidation. Maybe you can buy in you can scale your way into a position buying increments, right? Dollar cost average, as they say. If you feel like that's you, do you? If you really like that, you see what I'm saying? So it's a lot of ways to start getting to the market. If you're not, if you are, hope you're protecting yourself, or you might be just riding this out. But I don't think it's gonna be long before we back up to pre-market loss levels. You see what I'm saying? We're not that far away. We're not doing too bad. It's not that bad. It is not that bad. Look at this. Twitch. Shout out to me on Twitch. Shout out on Twitch. We got 3 people following it. Yeah, we're doing a crypto market review. So we're just doing a little summary. We see we got a couple more people in on the crypto. So again, I don't know if you got a solid question. I'm asking is the bottom end on the market, on the crypto market? And I would love to do a poll. I would love to know what you guys think. Whoever tuning in, do you guys think the bottom is in on crypto? It's I don't know. I feel like it's a big question. Because I mean, think about it. Look how fast the sentiment just changed, bro. January, February, March, everybody talking about crypto. It's at all-time highs. AI is, all the news, AI, artificial intelligence, crypto going up. We need to buy crypto. Nah, it's like nobody even care about crypto. So it's interesting to see how much the sentiment changed. Again, my question is the bottom end on the market? Yes or no, for whoever listening. And I also want to know if you guys own any cryptocurrency. If you own any of these cryptos, did you trade out of it? Are you still in it? Are you holding the meme coins? We just finished looking at coin market cap. I'm gonna go back to it because I just had a few people come in on the stream. So again, let me go through this. So we talked about is the bottom end for crypto. We were looking at some altcoins. We know when Bitcoin go down, the altcoins go down as well. So we're looking at Bitcoin right now. We're asking is the bottom end. The chart shall tell us. We shall see. But right now, this is the higher time frame, the weekly time frame. I think we look at the daily, and even on the weekly, I think you can say the bottom is pretty much in. It's touching this bottom Bollinger Band. This daily. It's been rotting. Bottom Bollinger Band is on the bottom. Just looked like the bottom out. Yesterday was the bottom out. It was a down day, but it was a green candle. So, make what you will of that. And now it's actually down a little bit, but it's still inside the body. It's like down just barely a red candle. So is the market is the bottom end? I say yes. The next couple months it will move higher. Matter of fact, so much things to talk about. I didn't read the article yet. Yesterday I read an article about Forex. Today we looked at the crypto charts and the crypto market. I read my new bio for the live stream. But what I also want to take a look at was it was something just talking about. It was an article I saw somewhere that was talking about crypto. I forgot what it was. I even forgot what I was going to say, but it was something that not the thing we're asking was is the bottom end, but right there, I lost my train of thought. But I think the bottom is in, man. Altcoins where it's at. Tighten up, man. Tighten up. Share this tag instead. All the coins, and if you like what you see, guess what? We down 30-40%. Like I said, we can't go. These cryptocurrency protocols not going to be down 40% and then be down another 40% next week. So that's like impossible. So I guess we leave it right there, man. I'm gonna leave it right there. We said what we had to say. We got on right here just to check out some things. And again, that's why we're making ourselves available so that we foster this community. We have people who, if they need some analysis, if they need some feedback, anything like that, we can talk about it together. That's the whole point. So appreciate you guys for joining me. I'm your brother, Daliyahu Yasharar from Investing Yahuwah. And then to the next episode, to the next stream, peace. See you guys in the next one. Shalom, shalom, family.